Hello everyone, now I will tell you about the post request, and if you don't see the get request video, please see it first. So I am making the REST based JSON server which can easily add, update, delete and access data from a server. Now I will see you about the post request, and this is my code, and I am using the nodemon for starting my server, and for the testing I will use the postman. And now the server started at 3000 port. So first I will receive the data, get request and post, and it will give the all data that is present already in the JSON server. And now I will show the post request. It will be in the post, and I have to send the data in the body part, in the row and in the JSON thing. So I have already coded that. I have already done the JSON part. ID will be 2, title commerce, author Madik, and views will be the 12. I only copy and paste this data in this and post request, and I will send it. After send it says success true and user data added successfully. To see the data I will send the get request, and now at last it will be the added like id 2 commerce Madik and 12. This will work correctly. Now this is id is the primary key, and it cannot be changed, and it cannot be of the same value. And if we try like in post, and again we will putting this data with the same id and try it sending, it will show the error id already exists, and it will not put in the database. For this I will again send you the get request, and it is only one time, not the two times. This is all about the post request. In the next I will tell you about the patch request.